Okay, welcome back everyone for part 2 of our science experiments. We've completed the dancing raisins and now we're going to do the erupting lemon volcano. It's also a very fun experiment, but also a very messy one. This experiment you will definitely need mom and dad to help you with. You also need to cut lemons, and to be safe it might be best to have an adult with you. So let's go and have a look and see what we need. All right, you're going to need some bicarb of soda, whatever food coloring mummy has in the cupboard. All right, for our lemon volcano, you are going to take a lemon and you're going to cut it in half. I've already cut these lemons in half, and Nathan and Julianne have their lemons on their plates. What I did do is, you can see at the bottom, I sliced the bottom off as well, because you'll notice if this half, it's very difficult for it to stand straight, it falls over. So in order to make sure you've got a straight volcano, I cut the base off. So now what we're going to do, I've got a blunt knife. I found an old baby knife. We're going to poke holes into our lemon. Okay, Julianne, you want to poke holes all around your lemon, please. Wherever you can, you're going to poke some holes. So be careful of your fingers. Make sure it goes all the way down to the bottom of that's it, nice and deep. Okay, we're making holes for the other goodies to go inside our erupting lemon volcano. And when you're finished, you can pass the knife to Nathan. Okay, while Nathan and Julianne are cutting holes into their lemon, I've poured some food coloring into the lids, and we used a syringe. Here's Julianne squirting red food coloring and Nathan squirting blue food coloring into his lemon, into the holes that they've put. Okay, so as you saw, Nathan and Julianne squirted some food coloring into their lemons. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to ask Julianne to start to take out a teaspoon of baking soda, and she's going to start sprinkling it on her lemon. Okay, so Julianne, dig in with the spoon.
Again.
And then you can pass to Nathan, and then Nathan's also going to put bicarb of soda on top of his lemon. You can put lots on, lots and lots and lots. All over the lemon, everywhere. That's it. Another teaspoon. Make sure the whole top of the lemon is covered. Okay, maybe one more spoon, and then you can pass to Nathan. Right, let's pass it on. Thank you.
Mommy.
Okay, Nathan, I know. It's wonderful, Lovey. Okay, Julianne, you can take that little knife and you can squash some of it into your lemon as well. So it goes into the lemon. Is anything happening to your lemon yet?
Not now.
Not now. Okay. Nathan, how are you doing? Okay, that's perfect. You can take the knife and squash some in. Squash it into your lemon. No, squash it in, Lovey, like you poked holes. That's it, push it in. Okay, now you can see Nathan's has started getting little bubbles from pushing it in. Now what you do is you take your top lemon and you're going to squeeze the juice onto the top of your lemon. Squeeze out the juice. There we go. Starting to get a lemon volcano. Julianne, that's it. Okay, now you squeeze some of your lemon juice, sweetheart.
It's going to erupt. It's going to erupt.
Squeeze the lemon. Get the juicy out.
I'm trying to.
That's it. You have to squeeze quite hard. There we go.
And it's in the web.
Can I help you with your lemon, Jim?
Yes.
It's a bit difficult to squeeze, eh?
Yeah. Mom, did mine erupt? Now can I carry on?
You may.
Can you do mine?
Yours has erupted beautifully, Nathan. There we go. Do you guys know why it is erupting? If you want, you can put some more baking soda on.
Yeah.
Because everything in life, in science, has a chemical base. So who knows what chemical do lemons have? Does anyone know?
No.
No, it's called acid. A lemon has citric acid, and bicarb of soda is what we call a base. So the reaction, the chemical reaction between the acid and the base has made an erupting lemon. Isn't that lots of fun?
Yeah.
Did you guys enjoy it?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so those are the erupting lemons. So it's good fun, very messy. So make sure you do use a plate underneath and make sure you have mommy and daddy's help. All right, please send us photos of all your fun experiments and I hope you enjoy them.